Yeah, hi everyone. Greetings from the Craxino Technologies. So today I will be demonstrating the implementation of the Stripe. So this is a code from one of our live project. So this is the front end part of the Stripe implementation where we have imported the payment element, use element, the use Stripe webhooks. Sorry, not webhooks. So here what we are doing is we are collecting the payment details, card details of the customer, and as soon as and for that we are using the Stripe use elements and the payment element functions which Stripe provides under this package Stripe React-Stripe.js. And once the customer submit this form, what we do is we just check for the if the Stripe has loaded, if the elements has loaded or not. If they are not loaded, we return it and we wait for the elements to get loaded. So if everything is loaded, what we do is the confirm payment and we submit the request to the server. And once the request goes to the server, what we do here is this try. Okay, so what we do here is handle subscription for client. Okay, yeah. So we call this function on the backend, which handles the of creating the subscription for a client for our listed products on the Stripe dashboard. So what we do here is if we go to this function, first of all, what we do is we create a customer on the Stripe using stripe.customer.create, and it returns the customer object and we save into the DB. Then if we go again here, once the customer is created, we add the payment method to that customer using stripe.payment method or attach and payment method ID and the customer ID we received when we have created the customer. And then we receive a payment method object and then we update that customer and add this invoice setting default payment method to the payment ID we have received. Then let me go again. Once the customer is created and the payment is attached to that customer, we create a subscription. So here what we do is we define the customer, we define the items. This can be a multiple prices. If you have multiple products for which you have to create a subscription on a customer, then we can include multiple price IDs here. And then we have the payment behavior here, payment settings on subscription. This can be pronated and we expand the this object latest invert payment intent. And we also check if there is any coupon applied to it, so we add the coupon as well. If there are free trial period days, we also add the trial period days to this parent subject, and we get the default payment ID. And once all these params are built, then we create it, then we call this Stripe method of subscription.create. And once the subscription is created, we update the details in our DB. And now what we have done here is we have created the subscription, we have created the customer, and we have attached the payment method to that particular customer. Now what we do is also we listen for the payment events from the Stripe. So what we do here is payment events. So here this is the webhook event which we receive from the Stripe based on different events. So what we do is we extract the event from the request body, and there is also signature in the headers which is unique for your app. Now we go into this handle payment event. When first we verify this verify Stripe webhook, we call this function which verifies that this webhook event belongs to your particular app, because it can send we have to verify that this particular event is relevant to our particular app and particular implementation. So once we have verified this, what we do is we get the event type, and as you can see here we have different event types here: payment intent succeeded, payment when the payment gets succeeded, we then subscribe the user. If the payment, if the customer deleted his subscription, then we delete it from our database. When payment is failed, then we do the different actions here. When the invoice is paid, when the invoice is finalized, when the subscription is updated, charge is succeeded, updated. So these are all the webhook events which Stripe provides by default. So by using these methods and listening to these events, you can update the details in your database, and also you can trigger the various different emails from your end to the customer. So this was it from my side, where I have demonstrated how we can implement Stripe from front end to the back end. Thank you.